Have you ever felt like you were meant for something greater, as if destiny itself has chosen you for a unique purpose? In the vast realm of existence, there are those among us who are said to be marked by fate. These individuals, often referred to as chosen ones, are believed to be destined for significant paths, their lives intertwined with the very fabric of the universe. The concept of being a chosen one is as intriguing as it is mysterious. It's not about superiority or entitlement, but rather about answering a call that resonates deep within the core of your being. The intriguing part is there are signs, subtle whispers from the universe that might suggest you're a chosen one. These signs are not about dividing us into categories, but about awakening us to our hidden potential and unique life path. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of destiny and explore the 9 signs that could indicate you're a chosen one. Moving on to the second sign, we delve into the world of unfathomable intuition. This is an intriguing concept that extends beyond our comprehension. It's that subtle murmuring voice deep within us, directing us towards a particular path. Intuition is essentially an understanding that surpasses reason, a primal instinct that cannot be encapsulated in mere words. Picture yourself stepping into a room and instantly gauging the atmosphere, or encountering someone and instantly realizing that they will become a crucial of your life story. This is intuition in action. It often acts as a compass, guiding people towards authentic path. It's as if a cosmic navigation system is integrated within us, mapping out our individual journeys. For those labeled as chosen ones, it's not unusual to have an amplified sense intuition. After all, their journey may be charted by invisible and mysterious forces. So, take heed of those instinctual feelings, those sudden revelations that spring up unexpectedly. If your path seems to be illuminated by a potent intuition, it could be a sign that you might be a chosen one. The second sign is unique abilities. Picture your talents, those special skills that come so naturally to you. It's as if they're second nature, right? These aren't just party tricks or impressive hobbies. Rather, they're uniquely yours, a part of who you are at your very core. Perhaps it's an uncanny ability to empathize with others, a knack for creating beautiful art, or an extraordinary understanding of complex concepts. These abilities might not seem extraordinary to you because they're so ingrained in your being, but they set you apart from others. Now consider how these unique abilities might be linked to a larger purpose. Could they be tools gifted to you, waiting to be used to fulfill your destiny? Maybe they're guiding you towards a path that only you can tread. So, if you possess abilities that set you apart, you could very well be chosen for something greater. Now let's move on to signs 3 to 5. Our third sign is an all too common feeling of not quite fitting in. Have you ever felt like you're a jigsaw piece that doesn't belong in the puzzle? Like you're an outsider looking in, even amongst familiar faces? This sense of not belonging can often feel alienating. However, it might just be a sign that you're destined for something different, something greater. You're not meant to blend into the crowd. You're meant to stand out, to lead, to change the world in your unique way. Next, we delve into the realm of dreams, our fourth sign. These aren't your run-of-the-mill dreams, but vivid, intense ones that often leave you pondering their significance. You might dream of places you've never been, people you've never met, or events that haven't happened. These dreams could be glimpses into your destiny, your subconscious mind guiding you towards your purpose. They could be sending you messages, insights, or even warnings, urging you to pay attention. Lastly, let's explore our fifth sign, a deep-rooted yearning for a purposeful life. This isn't about chasing fame or fortune, but a desire to make a meaningful impact. You might feel a pull towards helping others, solving complex problems, or creating something transformative. This deep-seated desire is more than a mere whim. It's an internal compass guiding you towards your destiny. It's a sign that you're meant to do something significant, something that aligns with your higher purpose. These signs are more than mere coincidences. They're indications of a life path that's extraordinary. They hint at a hidden potential within you, waiting to be discovered and harnessed. They're nudges from the universe, guiding you towards your destiny. If these signs resonate with you, you might be on the path of a chosen one. Moving forward, let's explore signs 6 and 7. The sixth sign on our journey of discovery is an inherent need for solitude. Now, solitude doesn't necessarily mean you're a loner or an introvert. It's more about the desire for quiet moments of reflection, an innate pull towards introspection. This solitude often serves as a fertile ground for your thoughts and ideas to germinate, allowing you to connect more deeply with your inner world. Consider for a moment, are you someone who cherishes these pockets of solitude? Do you find yourself craving moments of quietude amidst the noise and rush of our everyday lives? If so, this could be a sign that you're destined for something more, something beyond the ordinary. Moving on to our seventh sign, it's about being drawn towards spirituality. Now, spirituality can take countless forms. It could be a pull towards understanding the mysteries of the universe or a curiosity about the metaphysical aspects of life. It might manifest as a quest for wisdom, a thirst for knowledge that goes beyond the tangible, the visible, the easily explained. Being drawn to spirituality often means you're open to exploring life's deeper questions, its profound mysteries. You're not satisfied with surface-level answers. You seek truths that resonate with your soul, that align with your innate understanding of the world. This longing for spiritual connection, for meaning and purpose beyond the physical realm, could suggest you're one of the chosen ones. But remember, these signs are not definitive proof, but rather indicators that might resonate with you on a deeply personal level. They're like compass points, guiding you towards your unique destiny, your special path. The journey of self-discovery is a fascinating one, full of twists and turns, revelations and epiphanies. It's a journey that demands courage, curiosity, and an open heart. And these signs, they're part of that journey, helping you navigate the vast landscape of your own potential. These signs could hint at the hidden potential within you, waiting to be unveiled. Finally, let's discover signs 8 and 9. Our eighth sign is a profound sense of empathy. This is not your everyday sympathy or compassion, but a deep-rooted ability to connect with others on an emotional level. You find yourself deeply moved by the emotions of those around you, be it joy, sorrow, or pain, and you experience these feelings as intensely as if they were your own. This heightened empathy is not limited to just humans either. You might feel a strong emotional bond with animals, nature, or even the universe as a whole. This might feel overwhelming at times, but remember, this profound empathy is a gift. It allows you to understand and connect with others on a level that most people can't. It's almost as if you're tuned into a frequency that others can't hear, enabling you to perceive and respond to the emotional needs of those around you with a depth of understanding that can be truly healing. Now, onto our ninth sign, frequent synchronicities. These are meaningful coincidences that seem to occur far too often to be mere chance. You might think of a friend you haven't spoken to in years, and then they call you out of the blue. Or perhaps you've been pondering a life-altering decision, and then you come across a book, a quote, or even a random conversation that provides exactly the insight you needed. These synchronicities might seem like mere coincidences to some, but to you, they feel like gentle nudges from the universe, guiding you along your path. They are like breadcrumbs, leading you towards your destiny, a reminder that you're on the right track, that you're exactly where you're meant to be. If these signs are frequently present in your life, you might indeed be a chosen one. These are not definitive proof, of course, but they are compelling indicators that there might be something extraordinary about your path. Perhaps you're destined for great things, or perhaps your journey is simply about bringing a little more love, understanding, and healing into the world. Either way, your path is uniquely yours, and only you can walk it. We've journeyed through the 9 signs that suggest you might be a chosen one. we've explored the intriguing concept of unexplained intuition, the discovery of unique abilities, and the subtle yet powerful signs that hint at a greater purpose. Along this journey, we've delved into the realms of spirituality, self-discovery, and the hidden potential that lies within us all. These signs, these gentle nudges from the universe, are not to be taken lightly. They hold the potential to guide us towards our unique destiny. They invite us to listen, to observe, and to trust in the unfolding of our path. Now, it's your turn. Reflect on these signs in your own life. Consider their presence, their frequency. Do they resonate with you? Do they stir something within you, a sense of recognition perhaps, whether you're a chosen one or not? Remember, it is your choices that define your destiny. Stay curious, stay open, and continue your journey of self-discovery.